Recent months have seen claims regarding the downing of US MQ-9 Reaper drones, particularly in the Middle East. Houthi rebels in Yemen assert responsibility for multiple incidents. These claims, often with grainy footage, show drones falling in fiery explosions. The US response has been consistent denial. Officials suggest the Houthis may be exaggerating for propaganda. This has created a cloud of uncertainty about the Reaper's vulnerability. Confirmed incidents of Reaper drones crashing due to technical malfunctions add to the confusion. These incidents complicate the narrative surrounding the drone's reliability. The line between enemy action and technical failure becomes blurred. Despite the uncertainty, India remains committed to acquiring a fleet of these advanced drones. The MQ-9 Reaper, for all its technological sophistication, is not invincible. It is, after all, an unmanned aerial vehicle, reliant on a combination of sensors, software, and communication links to operate effectively. This reliance on technology creates vulnerabilities that adversaries can exploit. One key vulnerability lies in the Reaper's reliance on satellite communication links. These links, while providing long-range control and data transmission, can be jammed or intercepted, disrupting the drone's operations and potentially even giving an adversary control. Furthermore, the Reaper's size and relatively slow speed make it susceptible to sophisticated air defense systems. While it can operate at high altitudes, making it difficult to target with small arms fire, surface-to-air missiles pose a significant threat. The recent Shootdown claims, regardless of their veracity, highlight these vulnerabilities. They underscore the fact that even advanced drones like the Reaper are not immune to enemy action, particularly in contested airspace. India's pursuit of the MQ-9 Reaper, despite the concerns surrounding its vulnerability, stems from a complex set of strategic calculations. Facing a volatile security environment, India sees the Reaper as a critical tool for enhancing its surveillance and strike capabilities. One driving factor is the ongoing border tensions with China. The 2020 Galwan Valley clash, which resulted in casualties on both sides, served as a stark reminder of the fragility of peace along the line of actual control. India sees the Reaper as a way to enhance its surveillance capabilities along the LAC, providing early warning of any potential Chinese incursions. Beyond the LAC, the Reaper's long-range capabilities make it an attractive option for monitoring the Indian Ocean region. With its vast coastline and strategic interests in the IOR, India faces a constant challenge in monitoring maritime activity. The Reaper, with its ability to stay aloft for extended periods, could prove invaluable in tracking the movements of warships, submarines, and other vessels of interest. Section 4. Strategic benefits for India. Eyes in the sky. The MQ-9 Reaper offers India a range of strategic benefits, making it a highly attractive acquisition despite the acknowledged risks. These benefits extend beyond mere surveillance, encompassing potential strike capabilities and a deterrent effect. Firstly, the Reaper's advanced sensors and long loiter time would significantly enhance India's situational awareness. It could provide real-time intelligence on enemy troop movements, infrastructure development, and other activities of interest, allowing for more informed decision-making. Secondly, while the Reaper's primary role is surveillance, it is capable of carrying a variety of precision-guided munitions. This gives India a flexible strike option, capable of targeting high-value assets with minimal collateral damage. The psychological impact of this capability, particularly in the context of the border dispute with China, should not be underestimated. Finally, the acquisition of the Reaper sends a clear signal to India's adversaries. It is serious about modernizing its military and enhancing its capabilities. This modernization effort, of which the Reaper is a key component, aims to deter aggression by raising the potential costs of any conflict. Section 5. Expanding surveillance, from land to sea. The MQ-9 Reaper's versatility extends beyond land borders, offering India a valuable tool for maritime surveillance. With its long endurance and sophisticated sensors, the Reaper can patrol vast stretches of ocean. India's maritime interests are vast and varied. The Indian Navy operates in two distinct maritime theaters, the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. The Reaper's ability to operate for extended periods makes it ideally suited for maritime patrol missions. Its sensors can detect and track ships, even in challenging weather conditions. The Reaper's ability to detect and track underwater threats provides India with a significant tactical advantage. Section 6. Conclusion. A calculated risk. India's decision to acquire the MQ-9 Reaper represents a calculated risk. The Reaper's strategic value outweighs the perceived risks. It enhances India's surveillance capabilities along its borders and maritime domain. It provides situational awareness, aiding decision-making and deterring aggression. The acquisition signals India's commitment to modernizing its armed forces. This modernization is essential for safeguarding India's interests. The Reaper is sophisticated but vulnerable, requiring careful planning. For India, the benefits outweigh the risks. The acquisition is a strategic gamble India is willing to take.